Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn tajweed the easy way. Lesson number 3b, practice of Minas Shaitanir Rajim. We have already learned A'udhu Billah, right? Minas Shaitanir Rajim. We will continue with the remaining part. Shaitan. Don't say shay. Okay, it is shy. Just like in English, you say shy person, a shy person, shy. Okay. Ta. Ta is very thick and high letter. And here there is mad. So ta. And don't say twa. Don't say twa. And don't change your shape of your lips. Your mouth should not change. The thickness is only inside. Don't say twa. No. Ta. Ta. All the changes are inside only. Ta. Ta. Don't make your lips round. So repeat after me 3 times. Shay. 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 And pa. 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 Ni is simple. Minas Shaitani. Let's join them together as per tip number 4. So once we have learned the syllables, we will make them closer. So repeat after me. Minas Shaitani. Minas Shaitani. Minas Shaitani. Minas Shaitani. Okay. Ar-Rajim. Minas Shaitanir Rajim. Ra is thick here. It is not English R. Be careful. It's not English R. Don't say Minas Shaitanir Rajim. Rajim. No. It's like Spanish or Mexican Ra. 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 Low frequency. Ra. It's not Ra. So, Ar-Rajim. So repeat after me 3 times. Ar-Rajim. 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 Okay, let's take Minas Shaitanir Rajim. Repeat. Minas Shaitanir Rajim. Minas Shaitanir Rajim. Minas Shaitanir Rajim. Minas Shaitanir Rajim. Repeat after me once, and you know A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. If you know the meanings, you can recite it meaningfully, like I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan the outcast. A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.